Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider. Today we're actually talking about owner financing. What exactly is owner financing? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? You know, a lot of people in commercial and residential lending, sometimes they end up doing owner financing and then later on they're taken out by a permanent loan through a bank or a lender. So we're actually educating you guys today about what exactly is owner financing so that way you can understand the terms, some of the conditions, and some of the pros and cons of owner financing. So basically, owner financing means like if you're going to go purchase a property, it doesn't matter what type of properties, whether it's commercial or residential, that the owner is going to be the lender. The owner is going to be carrying the note on the property that you're purchasing. And generally, you'll do this for many different reasons, either because you don't qualify for conventional financing, either because of your credit or the income or the down payment, or there could be something wrong with the property. If it's hazardous or it's dilapidated or needs some TLC. So the owner will sometimes offer to owner finance the property and to bridge it out until you can get qualified for a permanent lender bank loan. So basically that's the essence of owner financing. And then we're going to talk about some of the requirements. So usually it's a short term. Usually it's for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Generally it's a higher interest rate. Interest rates probably start a little bit higher than the market. So if the market's at 3%, an owner may charge 4, 5, 6%, 10%, just depending on what they want to charge for the interest rate, whatever is negotiated. And then generally there's different types of owner financing. What I'm talking about is when you actually go on the title. It's very important that if you're going to do owner financing, that your name actually gets put on the title to the property. This is not a land contract. This is not a lease purchase. I'm not talking about those things where you actually lease the property. I'm talking about when you actually do a purchase with the seller, and the seller is the mortgagee and they make a mortgage to you. So that's what I'm referring to, okay? So basically, sometimes it's good to do it. Just make sure that you have a plan to be taken out by a lender later on. So if you need to work on your credit, get your credit fixed. If the property needs rehab, fix up the property. Make sure that the biggest thing with owner financing, that you close at a title company, you get title insurance, you get recorded on the title if you're the buyer. Get it done through an attorney. Make sure you have an attorney review the documents. That's the biggest thing, because what you don't want to do is think that you're doing owner financing and then you end up getting stuck doing lease purchase or a land contract. Those are two different things. It's not the same thing as owner financing. So if you're doing owner financing, make sure you get with an attorney, have them check the docs to make sure that you're actually doing owner financing, that you're protected. And then, we take out a lot of people on refinancing that have done owner financing. So if you've done owner financing, also make sure that you make your payments on time and that you have a third party actually where you're managing your payments online and that they auto draft from your bank account. Don't pay by cash. You can pay by check, but make sure you keep copies of all your canceled checks, or you have an online third party actually debit your account to make the mortgage payments to the seller. Because if you can't document your payments, it's going to be very hard to refinance with a bank if they can't see a payment history proof that you've actually made your payments. So that's a very important thing about owner financing, but it does have a purpose. It does have utility. That's the essence of owner financing. Remember, with Angelo Christian, we're a nationwide commercial and residential lender. Call or text my office at 832-431-6331 if I can help you with any type of funding. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and hook you up with any type of loan that you need. Or you can click on that checkbox down below, the little link on the YouTube description. You can actually apply there to get pre-approved if you want, or just call or text us. We're open 7 days a week for you. It's where America goes for funding, guys. So check out my next video. Thank you so much.